Enabling or disabling Bluetooth Ringtone Sync on the Galaxy S24 allows you to choose whether your phone's ringtone is used for incoming calls on connected Bluetooth devices. Here's how it's done. Start by tapping the Home button to return to your home screen. On the home screen, swipe down from the top and tap the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, look for and select Connections. Next, tap on Bluetooth. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on by toggling the switch at the top. Once Bluetooth is activated, tap the Options menu or three dots at the top right corner. From the drop-down, choose Advanced Settings. In the Advanced Settings section, find Ringtone Sync. Tap the toggle next to Ringtone Sync to either enable or disable the feature. When enabled, your phone's ringtone will be used for incoming calls on connected Bluetooth devices. After you're done, press the back key or tap the Home button to return to the home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.